It is now May the 4th, 2022, and I'm on my way to the United States District Court to pick up the paperwork to file a lawsuit against the three individuals. Let me rephrase that. The two individuals in the town of Takoma Park, Maryland, for stealing 8 cars, having me arrested on fictitious charges, and violating my constitutional rights and civil rights. I guess they thought I was playing. But we're in Greenbelt right now. That's the courthouse over there. What I'm gonna do when I get to the courthouse, I'm gonna cut the camera off so we won't have no issues me going up in there to get the paperwork. And then I'm gonna go over to that building across the street where the United States federal prosecutors are and seek criminal charges on these individuals who stole 8 cars off of private property and kidnapped me and took me to the county jail. Oh, these are new townhomes they built out here. One of the owners of the vehicles called the Takoma Park Police Department and was informed that his vehicle, along with the other 7, were abandoned at 6530 New Hampshire Avenue, and that the owner requested them to be moved off the property. But as you've seen in the videos, first is I don't have titles to them. Now I wasn't supposed to be there, and now the cars were abandoned on the property, even though I was standing right there with them. This is a corrupt police force or security guard force in the town of Takoma Park, Maryland. And this is what they've been getting away with for so long, until I came and started recording them of the criminal activity. They had to get me out their town, or tried to, because they definitely ain't got me out of. I'm gonna make an example out of this police department and this government run by Bin Laden's daughter, Kate Stewart. This is Ivy Lane here in Greenbelt. Someone's trying to buy a new condo or townhouses. They're building them out here in Greenbelt. Cherrywood Lane is what I'm on now. Here you go. You're trying to buy your new condo or townhouse. That right there is Ivy Lane. Said they let me up in here in this United States District Court, or they tell me to go get the paperwork offline. Either way, it's about to be filed. I tried to give them the opportunity to have the tow companies release the vehicles, and they want a buck. They don't want to do the right thing. This is all retaliation. But somebody's got to pay that tow bill, and they don't want to pay it. So we can do it the easy way, or we can do it the hard way. I'm down for whatever. That brown building there is the United States District Court. Citizens and taxpayers, when you have a problem and you want to sue, don't go to the county. File it in the United States District Courts and let the federal government implement law over the case. Not these corrupt little county court systems who make deals over a cup of coffee or telephone, email, playing tennis or golf, because that's how they make the deals. We need to fill the jails up. Go buy him a steak or some cappuccino and see if we can get him to find him guilty. Or stack the jury so we can find him guilty. I don't know if this courthouse open. Oh yeah, there's some cars in the parking lot. I don't know if they're taking people, but we shall see in a minute. We're coming up to the guard. And as soon as I make contact with somebody, I'm gonna cut the camera off, because ain't no use me starting problems over here, because all I want is the paperwork. As you see, we're at the United States Courthouse, 6500 Cherrywood Lane. And this is the guard shack. So let me go over here and talk to the guard. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the camera, I'm gonna cut the feed, and then I'll get back with you all. This is the courthouse. Stand by.